In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Webull interface on both the app and desktop since the two platforms are laid out quite differently, and getting comfortable navigating either one makes everything else you do on Webull that much easier. Let's dive right in. Option A. The mobile app. Your bottom navigation bar is really your home base here, and it houses the core tabs you'll use constantly. The Markets tab gives you a bird's eye view of the trading day. Global indices, sector heat maps, and stock lists, all in one scan. Your Watch List tab is where you'll track the specific stocks you care about. Simply tap the three dashes in the upper left corner and select Add List to build out a new watch list. And you can organize multiple lists by sector or strategy if you want to keep things separated. When you tap into any individual stock, you'll land on its quote page, where the trade button at the bottom is what pulls up the order ticket whenever you're ready to buy or sell. And down in the bottom right corner, you've got the Menu tab. This is your control center for everything account-related, from settings and account management to cash management shortcuts. And it's also where you'll find the toggle to switch over to Webull Lite if you'd rather use a simplified, streamlined version of the app. Option B, the desktop platform. This one's built more like a professional trading terminal, so the layout leans heavily on customization. Down the left-hand side, you'll find your core navigation. Watch list, stocks, market overview, and stock screener are typically right there, giving you quick access to the major sections without digging through menus. Near the top of the screen, look for the widgets icon, shaped like a small 3D box. Clicking that opens up modules like Order Book, Options Chain, and News, which you can simply drag and drop anywhere on your screen to build a layout that actually matches how you trade. If you'd rather not build from scratch, the Paint Roller icon gives you access to pre-built layouts you can apply instantly, or save your own custom ones for later. Down in the bottom left corner, the gear icon opens your general settings, including the toggle between light and dark themes. And up at the very top of the window, keep an eye out for a small padlock icon. That's what locks or unlocks your layout for editing, so you don't accidentally rearrange something mid-trade. One thing worth knowing either way, whichever platform you start on, your watch lists and account settings stay in sync between app and desktop, so you're never really starting from scratch when you switch from one to the other. And that's really the full tour. The app keeps things simple and tab-based for trading on the go, while desktop gives you a fully customizable command center once you're ready to dig in deeper. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.